Let's meet Santa's little helper, the elf. Please welcome in Elf Action!
Start by pumping up your blush balloon and tie a knot. Make a pinch twist, a 3cm bubble, and a 5cm bubble for one ear. Now make an 8cm bubble. Now make another pinch twist, 3cm bubble, and 5cm bubble for the other ear. Make an 8cm bubble from one ear to the other, and make two 10cm bubbles to and from the ears to make the head. Now pump up your red balloon. Tie a knot and tie the red balloon to one of the ears. Make two 8cm bubbles to and from the ears. This forms the rim of the hat. You can now cut off the red balloon. Now pump up your green balloon. You can use any green, but in this case we're using a dark green balloon. Tie a knot and tie it to one of the ears. Using the green balloon, make two 8cm bubbles. And tie the second 8cm bubble to the other ear. That makes the top of the hat. Now, squeeze your blush and green balloon underneath the head until they meet in the middle and twist them together. You can now pop your blush balloon and tie a knot. And now you have an elf wand, but if you want to continue to give him a body, you can make four 5cm bubbles to form his limbs. And twist it back underneath his head. Make two 8cm bubbles to form his body, and tie it together underneath the head. You can now pop off the rest of your green balloon and tie a knot. And the twisting part is complete. Now, use a black marker to outline his eyes and his mouth, a blue marker for the eyes, pink for the blush, red for the tongue, and white for the highlight of the eyes and the teeth. And your elf is complete.
Whoa, Santa's little helper came. I think we should put them together. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, bye-bye.